up guys, it's Kiara, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Rigby inspired makeup look / cosplay because I did some videos on my TikTok that were kind of considered cosplay. But without further ado, let's start doing this makeup. First thing I decided to do was to add dark circles around my eyes. This kind of started off kind of weird, but then as the time went by and I started going around the entire eye, it started to come out exactly how I wanted it. Here I added some black eyeliner on my lash line. It didn't really make that much of a difference because my eyes were already pretty dark around, but I just wanted to add it to give it more of a dark effect. Here I added some winged eyeliner. I just wanted to really make this look really cute. And you know how winged eyeliner goes, you do one way and then the other one looks completely different, so you just go back and forth the entire time. But it actually didn't take me that long, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I want to add some lines on my face, kind of how Rigby has it, along with making my upper lip darker and a nose, and sort of like how he has a crease in between the lips and nose. And so I also added some lines on my cheeks, but you'll see that later. I'm prepping for lashes, so I'm just curling my lashes so that they blend with the lashes that I got. And my new lashes are too cute. I'm doing my eyebrows and I'm gonna do them similar to the way I did them in my last video. I want them to be feathery because I feel like Rigby would have really unkept eyebrows, so that's just how I wanted to do it. Here are the lashes. I really like them a lot. They're from the brand Kiss, and I got them from Target. Here I am adding some brown streaks on my face just to kind of emulate the same that he has on his body. And last minute I decided to do my lower lip brown, and I really liked how this part came out. After everything, here's the final look. I decided to do a top messy bun because I really thought it went with the look. I really liked how everything came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Peace!